Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you fixed Target gift card not working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix the Target gift card not working, what you can do first is check the gift card number and access code. Typing mistakes are the most common problem. Look carefully at the gift card number and access code by scratching the silver strip if physical card, or check your email for e-gift cards. Then enter them exactly into the Target app or website and avoid common mistakes like extra spaces or mistyped digital letters. For digital cards, simply copy and paste the number if possible. Next is make sure your card is activated. Physical cards in stores must be activated at checkout. What you can do is check your receipt. It should say gift card activated. If it isn't activated, return to the store and ask them to activate it and then try redeeming it. Then next method is check your Target account by simply heading over and opening up your Target application or signing in into your browser. Then once signed in, what you need to do is tap on your My Target option on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then scroll down and select Wallet. Then inside Wallet, select Add a gift card and then ensure your account is verified and active. Sometimes card fail if the account has issues, and next method that you can use is try redeeming it another way. You can use in the browser by simply heading over and then tapping on the search bar and type in target.com, and once inside be sure to be logged into your account, and then once you're inside simply add the items to the cart and at checkout enter the gift card plus access code. You can also use in-store by showing the physical card to the cashier and the barcode must be readable. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.